taxi rank today, where you can see the ongoing works that are still happening on the Lilian Ngoyi Street, formerly known as Green Street. This is as the city is left with 2 weeks to actually finish this completion of this rehabilitation. This is as also after the phase 1 was announced and completed last year in August and early September. Now this work started around that time as well, and the city, like I said earlier, is left with 2 weeks to finish this work. But most of the businesses and the people that we spoke to are saying that as much as the city is trying to push for that deadline, they are doubting very much that they will be complete by that time.
He was lying. Too much.
So I
Too much, never. Never, my sisters. Too much. Nama takes that I can't come this side. But I'm thinking azala siazazi.
I think we are seeing, I think they're about to complete this because they are given a deadline of 31st August. So, the way they are working, I think they're working fast these days. And I hope so, yeah, they're gonna.
Do you think they're gonna make that deadline?
Complete, yeah, on the 31st.
They're also saying that this construction has actually hurt their businesses due to the noise pollution as well as the dust that is incurring due to this construction.